Is your Android phone stuck in an endless loop of headphone mode, leaving your speakers silent and your audio invisible? Don't worry, we've got you covered with straightforward solutions to get your sound back first. Let's try the simplest fix: physically cleaning your headphone jack. Sometimes dust and debris can fool your phone into thinking headphones are plugged in. Gently puff some compressed air into the headphone jack to dislodge any particles. You can also use a soft brush or a toothpick very carefully to dislodge anything visible. Next, let's dive into your device's settings. Head to your Bluetooth settings and toggle Bluetooth off, and then back on. While it might seem unrelated, a glitch in Bluetooth can sometimes interfere with audio output detection. Now, let's check your volume levels. Go to Settings, then Sound and Vibration. Ensure all your volume sliders, especially media and speaker volume, are turned up. A corrupted app or a system process could be causing this issue. We'll perform a cache partition, wipe the exact steps very slightly between Android versions and manufacturers. But generally, you'll need to power off your device, then boot into recovery mode by holding a combination of power and volume buttons. Once in recovery mode, navigate with your volume buttons and select Wipe Cache Partition. Using the power button, this will clear temporary system files without deleting your personal data. If none of these steps work, a last resort is to perform a factory reset. But remember to back up all your important data first by following these steps. You'll be back to enjoying your audio on your Android device in no time.